What's up, guys? Learning with Rich here. Without further ado, as you can see, this is the folders of my Revit architecture, Revit MEP, and Revit structure examination. Okay, so previously on my first channel, I have already uploaded this one, but there's a problem, so I can't upload it. But if you really want to get all of these files, okay, you need to avail it. So I'm going to put the link description of this video so you can just go there and then you can avail this one. Okay, so what's in this folder is I actually included all the videos that I have created for this one. Okay, I have included as well as the updated exams that I have. Okay, so I have the 2015, 2019, and sample files for 2021. I have the data files. I also have the actual examination for the practical examination and also for the theory exam, which is very important. Okay, so I don't have any update on the latest theory exam, but this of course we're going to help you to pass the examination. And aside from that, like what I've said, I also included here all the videos that I have created so that you'll be able to follow this one using the exercise files that I have also in this folder. Okay, so that is for the Revit architecture, and I also have of course the examination for the MEP. Okay, so I do have the 2015, the 2019. I just don't have the theory exam. If there's a theory exam, I'm not sure. I don't have any news about that. I only have a news on theory exam for architecture. But if you have a theory exam on MEP, you can just put it on the comment section below if you have experienced that one, and then I'm going to search for that one. Okay, so I only have here the actual exam for the 2015 and then 2019. Okay, so I also have here the videos, of course, that you can follow. Okay, and aside from the MEP, I also have the Revit structure. Okay, so I have the 2020 and then the exam files, and then of course the video here. Again, just like your MEP, I don't have any news about, or I don't have any data on what is the structural theory examination is about. Okay, I only have the practical examination just like the MEP. Okay, again, this is not the updated examination, but on my experience, the exercise files that I have used when I took it in 2015 is the same as the exam that they gave on the later part of the examination, the version. Okay, so hopefully this one will be able to help you, but like what I have said, I also need to earn some money for me to be able to support my channel and my other subscription. So hopefully this is not too much for you guys. It's your choice. Okay, so you can just grab these files. Okay, just make sure you have a Google Drive. So if you have a Google Drive and then you want to avail this examination package, so just send me a Google folder where I can upload these files. Okay, if you want to avail it. So let's say, for example, you already paid it. The next thing that you need to do is just wait. I just need to confirm if the payment already went through, just like what I'm doing previously. So after double checking, the next thing is I'm just going to inform you to give me a link of your Google Drive. Just give me uh, an admin or an editor status for that particular folder so I can upload these files to that folder so you can download it yourself. All right. So that's it for this short video. So hopefully I will be able to help you to pass your examination. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.